Today is a diving day and we are going to the Tulamben. So the conditions today is way better than previous days. There's less waves and it's always better to dive during the rain season. I mean, it's always better to dive in the mornings because then the weather is more calm, the visibility also is better and there's no rain. It doesn't matter is it rain or not rain, you still can dive and it doesn't really affect it, just affecting the light. And the prognosis says that today will be sunny day. It looks like it's gonna be true. See you later. Been a great day diving today. Liberty wreck, nothing really new. Like I've been diving there hundreds and hundreds of times, and it's one of the most popular dive sites around here, and nothing you can do with that. And then whenever people arrive here, they always want to dive there. And so there's always the challenge: how can you what to show new for them, right? So if you've been diving hundreds and hundreds of times, how to still keep this excitement about the place which you can transfer to the people. That's the biggest challenge for the dive masters and instructors. But if it's a challenge, how you still manage to do it. So how you find the way to show something interesting, and how you find the way to be excited about the place where you've been diving, I don't know, maybe 300 times. So that's the question for you. You know, Martin, I think the answer is pretty simple. If you love diving and if you love being in the water, so then it's not that complicated actually. That's pretty easy for you if you're always very excited, and actually people feel that. And that's the answer, I think, in this question. I hope I answered your question. On a second dive, we saw a huge, actually big black tip shark, which was pregnant. And Mora was really big. In the beginning, I was like swimming and I saw the shark, and I thought there is another smaller shark, but it was actually the Mora. And then straight after that, we saw the group of the bumphead parrotfish, because we got really close and it was super cool actually. Shot, and it was shallow. It was like 5-6 meter depth only. That's why the light is really good. Yeah, and then we saw Mola and we saw the shark. Of course, yeah, it's actually like statues what the people put there, and it's actually amazing. They just trying to make an artificial reef, because you have to understand that Tulamben area is pretty sandy, and if there is nothing, then the corals has no any chance to grow. So that's why they're making this artificial reef, and that's why you will see these constructions from the videos. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.